This video will show you how to convert PDF file to Google Docs. So this is our PDF file that I want to convert into Google Docs. The first step is to upload your PDF file to your Google Drive. So you open up your Google Drive in your web browser. Then you click on the plus icon here. From the menu that appears, select File Upload. Now you browse through and select the PDF file you want to convert into a Google Doc. Then you click Open. You can see here that the file is being uploaded. To see your PDF file, you can refresh the page and you can see that the PDF file have been opened or uploaded into your Google Drive. Now to convert this file into Google Docs, you right click on the file and you select Open With. Then you choose Google Docs. Now your PDF file will open in the Google Docs interface. You can make any adjustments or editing you want on it. Now, whatever adjustments or editing you make on it would automatically be saved. Now, your PDF file is now saved as Google Docs in your Google Drive. As you can see, it is now saved as Google Docs in your Google Drive. You see the adjustments we made is still here. So that is how you convert PDF to Google Docs. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Bye guys.